Welcome to Michael Dahlin's cab, a Volvo FH16 750 horsepower from 2017, featuring Volvo dynamic steering and I-shift. The idea of having a vintage look from the 1980s on a modern truck really appealed to Michael, and you can see why. Those clean lines and retro colour scheme are taking us right back to the future. The elegant colours are those of Jacobs, the company Michael works for. Plans for the truck's design were sketched out on paper, and it then took just under 6 months to complete the job. Time well spent, I'm sure you'll agree. The stylish hubcaps complement the rest of the truck perfectly, while that big bull bar is just there for show. Step up and enjoy these home comforts. There's certainly no shortage of brown in here, and the style is button stuffed mocha. Those leather-covered seats and steering wheel are the perfect match for the mocha, with curtains and soft lighting topping off a super relaxed vibe. Michael is most proud of the whole truck and admits to cleaning and polishing it every day. Let's face it, you would as well, wouldn't you?